I'm gonna see how many crickets I can feed the bird eater at once. The bird eater at once. Oh, that one's moving. Seriously? Oh. Okay. Scared me. Okay. Where's the cricket at? Oh, here. Hmm. Let me try to get another one. This. Doing this one hand is not gonna be fun. Oh, easy. Let's see. Oh. Come on. It knows. Come on. But I don't have all day. Seriously? There we go. Let's try this one. They move too fast. Where did it go? It needs more than that. I can't just feed it one small cricket. Oh, come on. Get in the cup. There we go. Got that. Really? She takes one? That's it? I should take off the top. It'd be easier to feed. Hold on. Let me do that. Well, that took it off now. I have 3 crickets here. Let's see. There we go. Those crickets over the enclosure. She'll hunt them overnight, so it's fine to have them. She eats everything. Anything that moves, she bites. Oh wait, there's still one in the cup. There we go. That's like 3, maybe 4. I'm not sure. Let's test this out. Come on. There we go. Oh, another one. Ooh, how about if I drop one down here behind her? Will she turn around? No? Is it enough? Yeah, I'm gonna take that as enough. There's already a couple more still wandering around in here. I'm just gonna... Oh, she went after another. Alright. Oh, let me switch hands. Out of the enclosure. Alright, there. That's good enough. Well, that's it for the bird eater. She ate 5, maybe 6 crickets. She probably could eat more. Actually, let's see. Oh, that's a lot of crickets. Can you see maybe? Not really. I can't get a good angle. But yeah, I see a lot of crickets, and there's still one here and another over there. That's actually the first cricket I put in. How is it still alive? Kind of impressive, actually. But yeah, that's that. I watered the enclosure a bit and feather. See a lot. Alright, I'll let it be now.